Welcome back. Your weekly sight words, lesson 1. Hi guys, welcome back. It's Miss B. I'm going to be teaching you guys all about sight words. This week, lesson 1. You're going to listen. I'm going to say it and you're going to repeat it. Are you ready? Let's go. Listen to the sight word with Miss B. I. Can you say I? Can. Say can with Miss B. A. Can you say A? 2. Can you say 2? The. Can you say the? Let's read our sight words in a sentence. I am happy. I can run. I see a cat. I like to eat. I have the toy. Let's see if you can name all the sight words. I can. A. 2. The. You guys did amazing with the weekly sight words. I'll see you next week in the next video. Bye guys.